In this video, you will learn how to add or set up proxies in IX browser. So let's get started. First, open your IX browser. On the main page, you will see the Create Profile option. We will create a profile and add our proxy to that profile. So click on the Create Profile button. Now, in the Platform Account Configuration settings, go to the Platform section and select Blank Page. Next, name your profile. For example, I'll name it YouTube Profile. You can also set a password for your profile if you want. All these options help you secure your profile. For now, I'll move to the next step, which is Proxy Configuration. Here, enable the IP detection option. Then go to Proxy Type and select your proxy type. I am using a SOC 5 proxy, so I'll select that option. Now, paste your proxy host here. When you paste your IP, the proxy port will usually be detected automatically. If it doesn't, you can enter the port manually. After that, enter your proxy username and password provided by the website where you purchased the proxy. Once everything is done, click on the Create button. That's it. Your IP has now been added to your profile. When you open the profile, you will be able to see your IP details. And this is how you can add a proxy in IX browser. Please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you.